Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Glam in a Flash and today I've got a super exciting makeup tutorial for you. A bold and stunning blue eyeshadow glam look. So if you want to sparkle and shine this 2025, keep watching. I'll walk you through every step to create this perfect party glam look. Let's dive straight in. So first I'm going to be using the Making Waves Australis palette. I'm going to be using the shade Crest, which is neutral color. I've already prepared my eyelid with the Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer in the shade Mahogany. This is to neutralize all the dark tones on my eyelid. As you age, you develop wrinkles and the colors change on your eyelid. I then go back on the Australis Up in Smoke palette in the shade Charcoal, just closer to my eyelash. This gray color makes the electric blue colors that I'm about to apply pop. I've prepared my lip with the L'Oreal Nude Intense eyeshadow in the shade 520, and I've used the Revolution Pro lip liner in the shade Burnt Cinnamon. Apply a tape to keep the borders of the eyeshadow within the area I desire. This gives a very clean look. I've used the bronzer from MP Cosmetics in the shade Medium. I've also applied the NYX Butter Blush in the shade You Know Butter. I then go back on the Making Waves palette and use the color Aqua to neutralize the border. Because I want a little bit more blue, I use the Model Zone Dolly Mix in the shade 09 for that desired blue. Then I use the Midnight shade on the Making Waves palette for the shimmer. I apply it all over my lid. I also apply it on my lower eyelid. Defining the crease and blending are the keys to a seamless blue eyeshadow look, and to develop the colors slowly and blending it well so it doesn't get patchy. I then use the shade Mermaid for the more deeper shimmer on my eyelid. I then blend with the Crest again from the same eyeshadow palette. This is to create the refined blended edge for my upper border of the eyeshadow. I like a winged eyeliner. So I'm just adding more layers to it all because that makes the look more refined. A winged eyeliner gives sharp lines that add definition and intensity to the color. I'm going back on the Mermaid and reapplying it. Blue is one of my all-time favorite colors. Last year it was green, but I've moved back onto my favorite color. Then I use a dense brush to apply the Mermaid because that gives the intensity to the eyeshadow. This is an eyeshadow series I plan to do around New Year's Eve. If you like more eyeshadow looks, please let me know. I'm more than happy to create them. The intensity of the color makes all the difference, and this eye palette is so beautiful on my warm skin tone, and it makes the colors look very, very intense, and it does not blend in my skin and disappear. Then I take micellar water, the Garnier one, with a earbud and clean the edges just to make it all refined and defined. Refined and defined. That rhymes well. The key is to keep everything else neutral, so the eye is the focus of the look. This foundation from Chanel makes a very flawless base and gives that coverage for this glam look. Look at the eyeshadow. It's so well done with the tape. Then I go back on my foundation brush just to clean up all the little mess that has happened. There's no spillage from this eyeshadow palette. That's why I love it. Blending everything is key. So blending the foundation, blending the blush. You may notice that the blush has been applied much closer to my nose and lower. This is to give a more youthful look. I then take the duo pen from Charlotte Tilbury, which has the brown and the nude, to kind of define my eyelash line. This is more like tight lining. Then I take the Bling Bling pen in the shade Aqua, which I got from Shein, to the corners of my eyes to give a pop of color. This has got shimmer in it. Then I take my blue liquid eyeliner from L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours to give a wing. The wing is key to give that definition to the eye. It also gives a lift because I am applying it higher today. I only apply the wing to the outer corner of my eyes. I've also applied the Rare Beauty Silver Enlighten highlighter on the cheeks. The face palette I've used is the Australis Fresh and Flawless Face Palette. Just where I've applied the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer under my eyes. I clean the eyeshadow and refine the look. I've applied the Emco Beauty Grip Primer underneath my foundation. Then I use my Australis Electric Blue Mascara, which is the Mega Lash Mascara. I love this mascara. It just works so well on my skin tone. I apply it very frequently if my look is very nude and I want a little bit of a pop of color. Being brave about makeup is so important. Owning what you apply is as important as, creating a look. Then I go back on the Charlotte Tilbury Duo pen, the nude side, and give a line, the inner line of my eyelash line, and then give that enlargement to my eyes. It really makes my eye look larger, and it is not pure white. It's more of a warm nude which suits my skin tone. That is the finished look, guys. It's really stunning. I did not expect it to finish so well. If you loved this look, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Wishing you all a fabulous and glamorous start to the new year.